Say it like a native. The art of yo. Hello, learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our series on informal English greetings. Today, we'll be focusing on a very common slang greeting. Yo. This little word carries a lot of weight in casual conversations. Let's dive in. Even though yo is a common slang greeting today, it has an interesting history. Originating in the United States, particularly within African American Vernacular English, AAVE, it gained popularity in the 1960s and 1970s. Over time, it has become widely used across different groups and communities. Now, let's talk about how to use yo. It's used as a casual way to greet others, equivalent to saying hi or hello. However, it's more informal and often used among friends. For example, you might walk into a room and say, "Yo, what's up, guys?" to greet your friends. Remember, the way you say yo can change its meaning. A friendly, upbeat yo can be a warm greeting, while a stern or aggressive yo could suggest annoyance or frustration. It's all about the tone and context. Also, it's typically more appropriate to use yo in informal settings, among friends, at a party, or in a casual conversation. Informal settings are with people you don't know well. It's safer to stick with more traditional greetings. While yo is a popular and fun way to greet others, it's important to know when not to use it. As we mentioned, it's very informal, so avoid using it in formal situations like business meetings or in professional emails. Also, it might not be well received by people from different cultures who are not familiar with this slang greeting. And there you have it, the ins and outs of using yo in English. We hope this has been helpful and that you'll now be able to use this greeting confidently in the right settings. Keep practicing and remember, learning a language is all about embracing its variations and having fun with it. Until next time, yo, and goodbye.